The Winter Palace in Saint Petersburg isn't just a building. It's a symbol of Russia's imperial past, luxury and history. From golden halls to magnificent art, every corner tells a story of power, culture, and opulence. Walking through it feels like stepping into a different era. But before we start, I want to ask, where are you watching this from? Drop your city or country in the comments. I'd love to see how far this journey reaches. One, the Jordan Staircase. The Jordan Staircase is a grand ceremonial staircase used for the Tsar and his family's entrances. Its white and gold design immediately captivates visitors, while painted ceilings depict mythological scenes. The intricate details are breathtaking, and I always pause to admire the craftsmanship. Have you ever seen a staircase so lavish and ornate? Two, the Malachite Room, named for its striking green malachite columns. The Malachite Room served as a formal reception area. Its vibrant hues and gilded decorations make it highly photogenic. The malachite itself was imported from the Ural Mountains. Can you imagine hosting or attending an important gathering in such a stunning space? Three, the Nicholas Hall. Nicholas Hall is one of the palace's largest halls, built for grand balls and royal ceremonies. The ceiling frescoes are elaborate, and crystal chandeliers add unmatched luxury. Can you picture yourself attending a royal ball here, surrounded by such opulence and grandeur? Four, the Armorial Hall. This hall features coats of arms of the Russian Empire's noble families. Its polished marble floors and elegant columns make it feel like stepping into history itself. I often wonder about the stories behind each coat of arms. Quick question. If you could have a royal feast in any historical palace, which one would you choose? Comment below. I'm curious. 5. The Malachite Drawing Room. Distinct from the Malachite Room, this drawing room showcases more delicate furniture and smaller malachite accents. It was used for intimate gatherings and discussions among the royal family. I love how even private spaces were given such lavish treatment. 6. The Raphael loggias, decorated with copies of Raphael's famous frescoes. This corridor is a quiet reminder of the Tsar's admiration for European art. Walking through it feels like a small museum within the palace. Can you spot which famous Raphael fresco is your favorite? Comment your guess. 7. The Pavilion Hall, also known as the Pavilion Room. It served as a grand dining hall for imperial banquets. Its ceiling paintings and ornate chandeliers create an atmosphere of pure elegance. I often imagine the clinking of glasses and royal toasts echoing here. Eight, the Malachite drawing room. Yes, another Malachite-themed space, but this one is smaller and cozier. It served as a sitting room for the Empress. The combination of deep green malachite with gold accents makes it feel both regal and inviting. Would you like to relax here with a book? Now, a fun question. If you could redesign one room of the Winter Palace, which one would it be and why? Comment your ideas below. 9. The armorial staircase. The armorial staircase though smaller than the grand entrances, is remarkably impressive. Adorned with military motifs and heraldic symbols, it served as a private route for the Imperial family. Its intricate carvings, often overlooked by visitors, showcase the artistry, attention to detail, and prestige embedded in royal architecture. The Small Hermitage. The Small Hermitage, separate from the main Hermitage Museum, was Catherine the Great's private art gallery. Housing rare paintings and sculptures, it reflects her exceptional taste and love for art. This intimate space demonstrates how art was central to royal life, blending personal enjoyment with cultural refinement and influence in the palace. The Winter Palace is more than a building. It's a journey through history, luxury, and culture. Every room, every corridor, every detail reveals a story that shaped Russia. So tell me, after seeing these highlights, which part of the Winter Palace would you love to visit first? Comment below. I can't wait to read your answers. And if you enjoyed this tour inside the Winter Palace, don't forget to hit subscribe for more incredible journeys into history and culture.